So today I'm going to be trying, at least, to get rid of these yellow horrible tones in my hair. And I've got these because I just bleached my roots a couple of days ago. I have like a sort of medium brown hair, so and this was just in like one go, so yeah, it's just looking kind of yellow. I just wanted to use a new product that I hadn't tried before to see if I could sort that out. And the product I'm going to use to do that is the Crazy Colour semi-permanent hair colour cream in the colour Ice Mauve. And I've got two of these because my hair's fairly long, but I'm still a bit worried. They just seem really small. That you do put it on wet hair, so I guess that would make it sort of spread through your hair a bit easier, I assume. But yeah, it seems really simple. It doesn't require a developer or anything harmful. It's basically just like a kind of conditioning colour thing. I don't think it's damaging, at least. So a quick idea of where I'm starting from, in case you do want to sort of compare where you're going from if you want to use this colour. So I've pretty much just, I guess, all of my hair's bleached. My roots have recently been bleached. I am a little bit concerned about how my roots are going to pick up the colour compared to the rest of my hair, but we'll see. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else I need to tell you about my hair before. It's just, yeah, crazy yellow tones like all over the roots. But yeah, I really hope it's a light enough shade to pick up this colour. The directions on this are really simple. So you shampoo and towel dry your hair, and then it just says, and apply Crazy Colour to pre-lightened bleached hair. Apply the colour evenly all over your hair. Wear gloves. I don't have gloves. I'm not going to use gloves. And leave for 15 to 30 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly. I don't think that sounds like enough time, so I'm probably going to leave this in for at least an hour. But anyway, yeah, let's just get on with this. Okay, so I have shampooed my hair and towel dried it like the instructions said. So yeah, I'm ready to put the colour in pretty much. But yeah, I just hate the colour of my hair when it's wet right now. It just looks so gross. I think I'm gonna try and put this all over my roots first. I have seen videos where it's suggested that that's not such a good idea because you can end up with quite hot roots if you have just like bleached your hair like me. So anyway, I'm gonna get on with it now. Yeah. So do you want to have a shower?
No, I just wondered where you were. How's it going?
I've already just started putting it on.
Okay. Can I get your coffee or anything?
Yes please.
Oh, you're recording it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I have a coffee though?
Yeah, okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Do you mind putting it there? Thank you.
Can I knock the my toothbrush and the toothpaste, please?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
No problem. Thank
Have
you.
fun.
Thanks. So far, I'm really liking the colour. I'm liking that it's not too bright purple. Yeah. And I would usually be using gloves and a tint brush, but I don't have them, just so you know. Formula just feels really nice and conditioning so far. I'm going to finish putting this all over my roots and I'll be right back. Alright, so I've finished putting all of that colour on my roots, and I still actually have a little bit of the first bottle, which I'm a little bit surprised about. I really thought I'd run out of that doing my roots, especially since I was like doing, you know, some of the lengths of my hair as well. I'm just going to make sure my hair is incredibly saturated in this stuff to hopefully get the best result possible. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I feel like it's got a lot more purple since the last time you guys saw it. Okay, so that is all of my hair completely saturated in the hair colour. Yeah, I'm really glad that those 2 bottles were more than enough. So I'm just gonna leave this on for at least an hour. I will probably see you when this is all washed out. I will see you then. Hey guys, so this is the final result that I got from the Crazy Colour hair dye. First of all, I think it is really pretty, and I'm really impressed by how well it has neutralised a lot of the yellow that was in my hair. Like, it really has done a good job at getting rid of that. There are parts of my hair when I bleached them didn't lift nearly enough, and that was just at the back of my hair. Don't know if you can tell, but it really, yeah, I don't know, it doesn't look too bad on my little camera screen, but understandably I couldn't really cover that as well. But otherwise, I think it's really nice. It's sort of evened out my hair quite a lot. Now, I know, you know, it's quite clear that my roots are looking quite purple. It is probably because that is where I put the dye first, and that, like, it was on my roots for longer, and you know, that area processes fast because it's the top of your head and all of that. But I think in, you know, 2 or 3 washes it'll probably be all washed out. But otherwise, I'm really happy. It's yeah, it's not nearly as bright as I thought it might go by how purple it seemed to be developing when it was on my head. You know, I expected the colour it is at the roots to be like the colour of my whole hair, but I am kind of glad it isn't. I was basically looking to tone my hair pretty much. And other than that, my hair feels really nice after that process. The formula did feel pretty moisturising. Yeah, my hair feels like it's got a little bit of a nice shine to it maybe. So yeah, I'm excited to maybe try some more of their colours in the future. But let me know what you guys think of this colour. I'll have before and afters going on for you now. I hope this was helpful if you were looking to buy this colour. Always remember with colours to do a patch test on your skin to make sure you're not allergic. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.